Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So during this process I'll try to use these 5 heavy games which I got right now: Asphalt 9, Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty, FIFA game and the Standoff 2 game. Let's see how much difference it's gonna be there between these both phones in the speed test and in the RAM management test, because recently with the couple of videos which I did upload, the Realme X1 Max was able to perform really good in the RAM management. Yes, after so many months of optimization and the updates, finally the RAM management was a little bit kind of okay when using applications. But let's see, when using this kind of heavy games, whether the phone will be able to survive this kind of extreme conditions or not. And first let's start with the basic reboot test between both phones. And these are the 5 games, friends, which I'll try to select, and during this time I won't be using any kind of gain space. So gain space, no GT mode, no high performance mode, nothing is used, just as it is normal only I'm trying to use between these two devices. Let's see, using in this kind of method, whether this Realme X1 Max can actually keep all the 5 games in the background RAM management or not. Since they are slightly kind of heavy games, that's the reason I did not include more than 5 games in this kind of testing. So these kind of testings are going to be really very interesting, friends, just to check which phone performs in what kind of manner. So that is my main idea of comparing between these both phones. And first let me show you what is the Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected to. Right now it's connected to 2.4 GHz network in the Realme GT Neo 2, and Realme X1 Max is connected to, let me show you, 2.4 GHz. So both are connected to same 2.4 GHz network Wi-Fi speed. That's also fantastic. All the apps are completely clear. And I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities, 8 plus 5 GB RAM capabilities, same in both phones. So 8 plus 5 GB, which is enabled in both devices. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. First game is Asphalt 9 game. Let's see which phone will be able to open first. 1, 2 and 3. So Asphalt 9 game. So there's no gain space, as you can see, but both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And I think first phone to Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 870 chipset. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, to see. First phone to turn on is the Realme GT Neo 2 and then Realme X1 Max. Next is Battlegrounds mobile game 1, 2 and 3. So let's see what happens this time. So there is no GT mode, there is no high performance mode, nothing is used. So first phone to show the logo is Realme GT Neo 2, and still the Realme X1 Max is taking some time to show this kind of logo. Without any high performance mode, the Realme X1 Max slightly doesn't perform that fast, but let's see what happens now. So just only a little bit, 1 second difference is there, not a huge difference between these both phones regarding the opening of Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see the Call of Duty. So my main purpose of me doing this video is to check the RAM management. So whether these both phones were able to manage the RAM management really good or not. That is what my main idea of testing this kind of comparison side by side. So first phone to show the login is the Realme X1 Max, Realme GT Neo 2 login page, GT Neo 2, and GT Neo 2 did open the game first in the Realme GT Neo 2, and let's open next game, which is a FIFA and Max, I think. Let's see this game, what happens. So both are showing the logo at same time, but slightly faster in the Realme GT Neo 2, little bit faster FIFA Max. Both are logging in at same time, nothing much huge difference between this both phone. Let's see the Standoff 2 game finally. And in this way we'll be able to understand what is happening between this device using the Standoff 2 game as well. Both are logging in, and let's see how many games will be there in the background RAM management between these both phones. Both phones did open at same time, not bad. So now all the 5 games are completely open between these 2 phones, as you can see, friends, exactly. All the 5 games are completely open. Let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. How many games will be open? I think by mistakenly I did keep the FIFA and FIFA Max, but both are having the exactly same amount of storage, nothing much huge different, 1.2 GB and 1.33 GB. Nothing much huge difference between these both phones regarding the GB wise. That's the one thing which I did make. I thought of including the same FIFA game, but I forgot. Sorry, friends, because of the same icons. So right now all the 5 games are completely open between both phones, right? Now let's try to go back, visit one by one game in the backwards direction, just to check how many games will be there in the background RAM management. So next is Call of Duty. Yes, Call of Duty is there, and Battlegrounds mobile game is also there in both phones. And finally is the Asphalt 9 game. So which phone can actually keep this game in the background RAM management? So this is going to be really interesting to see. So let's see, 1, 2 and 3. So both phones didn't keep the game in the background, but Realme X1 Max did keep this logo slightly kind of in the background. That's the reason this phone did open faster, as you can see exactly, than the Realme GT Neo 2, just a little bit, nothing much huge difference. But overall friends, in terms of the RAM management and the speed test, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slightly advantage in the speed test. RAM management is both are pretty close, nothing much huge difference with the RAM management. But one more thing, the RAM availability is slightly kind of more every time in the Realme X1 Max. Every time, yes, that's the one thing which I did observe in my usage and testing. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones. I think you got a clear idea what is going on with the speed test as well. In the speed test, Realme GT Neo 2, and this phone needs slightly some more time, couple of updates, then it might be optimized like Realme X1 Max as well. So let's give some time as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.